Yeah, look at my fresh tomatoes and my fresh pepper. This is what I'll be using today to prepare today's recipe. I know definitely you will like it and you will love it. It's quite easy, simple. You don't need to stress yourself while preparing this. Oh, look at it. You just need your tomatoes. You need your fresh pepper. I will also be using my onion. And not only my onions, I'll be using my ginger. I like ginger in my recipe. And also I'll be using garlic. Garlic has a lot of nutrients and is a preservative. Come on guys, I know definitely you will love it. Sit back, relax, and let's do this. I'm adding some onions and my fresh pepper, my fresh tomatoes. Not only that, I will also be adding some other ingredients to this recipe to spice it up. You don't just need only your tomatoes and pepper and onion. You will use others to prepare this recipe. Sit back, relax. I will need to cut my tomatoes into sizes because I'll be blending it, so I'll need it in small sizes. Just wash. And also I'll be removing the seed. You could see some seed inside, so I'll remove it. Guys, this is my ginger. I'll be cutting my ginger into sizes so that I will blend it with the mix. You know, ginger can be strong, so you need to cut it into sizes. These are my fresh tomatoes that I've already chopped into sizes. I need to chop them into sizes so that when I'm blending it, it could easily blend and be smooth. And I'm also adding some fresh pepper. Like I said before, I've washed my fresh pepper, so just relax and see what I'm gonna do in the next step, guys. So I added my ginger, okay, just to spice it up. Look at it. I also added my garlic. You know, garlic has a strong taste and smell, so I'm gonna spice it up with some garlic. Garlic has some medicinal value and nutrients, so just wash